Well, hi, good morning. This is Monday, start of the new week, and in terms of trade setup, the markets are looking quite bullish. Nifty again saw a good sort of long open interest addition in terms of bank Nifty. The trade actually is sideways right now. Why I'm saying like that? Because the support would be around 24,500. PSU banks, they actually saw a very good rally, but then after the good rally, we actually are seeing some sort of moderation in the prices. Now, that was on the expected lines because after a very strong rally, and especially that's entirely based on the sentiments, hopes that the money is going to come and that basically is going to improve the condition of PSU banks, some sort of great growth could come, but then it's going to take a long time. So I think the funds, institutions, they will remain excited in terms of large PSU banks and they will keep on accumulating as and when the opportunity comes. But in terms of if you're thinking that the PNB after going up 50% should have gone up another 20-30%, I think that was unlikely. So perhaps some pullback, and then when the stocks start pulling back, starts coming down slowly, then I think perhaps some sort of buying interest would come back. So why I'm saying like that? This means that if the bank Nifty has to go towards life high, you need private banks. HDFC Bank ADR was up almost 1.5%. You now have to look towards Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank. Again, those banks have to perform. In terms of result reaction from ICICI Bank, the consensus reaction is that perhaps ICICI Bank trajectory now should be looking upwards. We should move higher. But then I would think that you have to look towards slightly lighter banks with slightly more cleaner balance sheets, because those stocks usually have been rank outperformers over the last 12 and 18 months. And my own opinion is stocks which are leaders in their sectors, stocks which are outperformers, and in an ongoing rally, those stocks generally outperform more. So if you are basically are from the value camp, you can actually differ from me. But then my point would be that if there has to be system credit growth, those stocks again should continue to outperform. Now, in terms of result reaction, a couple of results were very good. Andhra Sugar's positive result, again, good sort of stock price reaction should be expected. I like the way the margins have come and also the profits have grown up. What I also like is Ram Krishna Forging. The stock has been gaining strength to strength. So I think Ram Krishna Forging, again, the result reaction should be quite interesting, quite good. Tata Metallics, again, very strong results. Again, profit of 54%. The stock looks really interesting because, again, margin expanded. EBITDA is up 46%. That's a sign of a very strong number here. Linde India, LIND, Linde India, again, those numbers were very good, very strong. Naveen Fluorine, those results were very strong, so the reaction should be positive. To me, again, these stocks perhaps you could look with high interest. In terms of oil price up move and also a good stable result, Hindustan Oil Exploration again should be giving a positive price reaction here. ONGC, to me, stable results, beat on profit in terms of estimates, and also every dollar increase in the crude price would be increasing the profit by 300 crores, and that's almost 5 to 6% of the quarter profit for ONGC. So which means ONGC right now is looking quite good in terms of open interest addition, breakouts, everything is looking good for ONGC. IOC, I was disappointed with the results. The GRMs actually were much below than the estimates, but in the third quarter, the company actually seems to be guiding good sort of inventory gain and higher GRM. So perhaps any sort of correction or dip in the prices will be short-lived, and the stock will start recouping, I think, those over the next few sessions. Then you looked at stock with high interest also. In terms of long stocks, a bullish open interest addition, Adani Ports, V-Guard, a lot of stocks basically are actually looking quite good in terms of open interest addition. Pharma Pack, Sun Pharma, Ajanta Pharma looking quite strong, long open interest addition there. So again, those stocks perhaps should be looking interesting. And also the duo of NIT Tech and NIT. NIT Tech is an FNO, very strong long open interest addition, and I expect those stocks to be outperforming over the next few sessions. Just watch out those stocks there. Very simply, again, the stocks are getting re-rated. So while I conclude, I just rename or basically reiterate those stocks again: NIT Tech, Adani Ports, V-Guard, Ajanta Pharma, Sun Pharma. All stocks again are showing great promise, along with Engineers India. Very strong accumulation being seen in those counters, so having good bullish positive upward bias here. So finally, I'm saying Nifty has a positive bias for a 400 point up move, 10,500, 700, next resistance, support around 10,180. Right now, the bias is on the upside towards the next few sessions. Bank Nifty, neutral bias, sideways. You need private banks. Next resistance would be 25,000, 25,200. Support would be around 24,520. With that, have a profitable day. I will see you later, and keep me posted if you have any sort of query.